So the question is, what will be the output of a given logic gate? So in a given diagram, there is two NOR gate. So we can represent this as NOR1, this as NOR2, and there is one NAND gate as well, where NAND gate is having an input of A. So the output of NAND gate will be A bar because there is only one input, or else we can say that is a short circuit. At the next end, the input B is given to the NOR gate 1. So it will produce the output B bar. So here the input of NOR gate 2 is A bar and B bar. The general output of the NOR gate is nothing but A plus B whole bar when the input is A and B. But here we have an input of A bar and B bar. So the output will be A bar plus B bar the whole bar. So again we can simplify this equation as A bar the whole bar dot B bar whole bar. So again it can be written as A dot B, which is nothing but the output of the AND gate. So here we can say the logic gate will have an output same like AND gate. So the correct answer here is option B.